Every content creator is talking about AI story tools, but not all AI story generators are built the same. Some create viral YouTube stories in seconds, others just confuse you with fancy words. Let's find out which AI tool actually helps you create the best stories for your videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to Toolbloom AI, where we explore the smartest AI tools that save your time, boost creativity, and grow your YouTube channel. Today we are doing a real comparison between four top story generator tools. Number 1 is ChatGPT, number 2 is Google AI Studio, third is Storylab AI, and number 4 is Writesonic. If you have ever wondered which AI gives the most natural storytelling, best emotions, or easiest usability for YouTubers, stay till the end because I'll reveal my personal winner for 2025. Storytelling is at the heart of every successful video. Whether you are making motivational content, explainer videos, or short YouTube stories, AI story generators are not just for writers anymore. They help YouTubers to generate creative storylines, save hours of script writing, turn simple topics into engaging narratives, and even build emotional connection with the audience. But not all AI story tools are equally powerful. So let's break down the top 4 and test them on real creator concerns. We'll be testing these tools and compare them based on ease of use, story quality and creativity, customization options, voice and tone control, export and integration features, price and free limitations, and best use case for YouTubers. So let's start with ChatGPT, probably the most famous one. It is super simple, just chat with it. You can give prompts like write a motivational story about a mom starting a business. ChatGPT comes with high creativity and flexibility. You can control tone like emotional, funny, dramatic. It has some limitations too. It doesn't auto-generate visual or scene-based stories unless you guide it step by step. The free plan is available, but advanced creativity like GPT-4 or GPT-5 access needs subscription. ChatGPT is best for script writers, storytellers, and YouTubers who like full creative control and don't mind editing the story manually. Next is Google AI Studio, which is the newest tool. The interface is clean and user-friendly, especially for those who like Google tools. It is excellent at generating structured stories with scene division, summaries, and character flow. The limitation in Google AI Studio is that it is still in experimental stages and requires setup using an API key for some advanced functions. It is currently free to use for basic features. Google AI Studio is best for YouTubers who love using Google ecosystem and want AI that can also summarize, optimize titles or generate descriptions along with the story. Now let's look at Storylab AI, a tool specifically made for storytellers and marketers. It has no complex setup, you just choose story generator and enter your topic and it builds storyline instantly. It's designed for short, catchy stories, perfect for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. But Storylab AI also has some limitations. It has less flexibility for long-form storytelling or emotional depth compared to ChatGPT. It has a free plan with limited credits. Paid plans start affordably. It is best for creators who make short-form motivational or product-based stories. Next we have Writesonic, known for being an all-round content generator. It has simple dashboard with templates for stories, blogs, and YouTube scripts. The story quality of Writesonic is balanced, creates structured stories but sometimes sounds robotic unless you tweak the tone. It has limited free credits. Basic plan is free, but premium tiers offer more creativity and speed. Writesonic is best for YouTubers who want fast, ready-to-use story drafts for narration or video scripts. And now let's quickly compare them side by side. If you are a YouTuber, think about these three questions before choosing an AI story generator. Do you need emotion-driven stories or short viral content? Then go for ChatGPT or Storylab respectively. Do you prefer tools that connect with YouTube SEO or Google services? Then Google AI Studio is your best friend. Do you want everything auto-done quickly? Then Writesonic helps you save time with templates. So here's my honest take. For deep storytelling, ChatGPT wins. For smart integration and summaries, go for Google AI Studio. For short form content and captions, go for Storylab AI. And for fast bulk script generation, Writesonic is the best. Each has its strength. The key is to pick one based on your content type. So if this video helped you decide which AI story tool to try next, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Toolbloom AI and comment below which tool you want me to try next.